whip up a show-stopping treat with my banana split pie inspired by the classic ice cream favorite. To start, you're going to want to cook your banana custard by combining the powder and the milk in a medium saucepan and cooking on medium heat while whisking until it thickens up and bubbles. Once ready, take off the heat and set it aside. While the custard comes to room temperature, start slicing your bananas and placing them in the bottom of a pre-baked pie shell. If making this pie in advance, I recommend to brush the edge and the bottom of the pie with some melted chocolate to prevent any sogging. Once the pie is filled with banana slices, pour the custard over the bananas. Take a rubber spatula and smoothen out the top. Drain your pieces of pineapple, pat them dry and place them on top of the custard, then place the pie in the refrigerator. While it's chilling, let's make our whipping cream. In a large bowl, combine the heavy whipping cream and vanilla and use a hand blender to whisk the cream until bubbles start to show. Then add your icing sugar and keep whisking until you got medium peaks. Reserve a cup and a half of the whipped cream and then scoop the rest of it on top of the pie. Use a spatula to bring the cream to the edges of the pie, sealing the filling, and then placing the rest of the heavy cream in a piping bag equipped with a large start tip. Pipe your rosettes on the edge of the pie, and then you're ready to decorate with maraschino cherries on top of the piped rosettes, and then drizzle the pie with some chocolate sauce. Then you're ready to decorate with classic banana split toppings like strawberries, more pineapples, and pieces of walnut. To let the pie set even more, set in the fridge for an extra hour before serving. And then you're ready to enjoy this delicious treat. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com and click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.